In case if you are not getting notification sound for new messages received in WhatsApp application, then go to settings here, go to apps, scroll down and look for WhatsApp application. Open the application, go to notifications, and you have to make sure that this show notifications is on and this app icon badges is also on, so that you will be able to know how many notifications you have received. And for chats, this show notifications also should be on. Now this under this group notification, it should be on at first. Then you can go inside this group notification and make sure that this show notifications is on. For notification style, make sure that it is sound and pop-up, so that you will be able to hear the notification sound. You can go to this sound and you can select the default notification sound, or else if you want you can select any other sound, but you should not select this silent option. Go back. Also, if you want, you can enable this option vibrate, so that phone will vibrate when you will get a new notification in WhatsApp messages. Then scroll down and go to this option in-app notification settings. Here also you have to make sure that conversation tones is enabled. Under messages you have to go to notification tone, and here also if you want you can change the notification tone or the notification sound, but remember that it should not be silent. Go back. Similarly, vibration, you can make it short, long, or you can switch off the vibration or leave default as it is. Similarly, for pop-up notification, make sure that it is always show pop-up. And if you want, you can enable this option, use high priority notifications, so that the WhatsApp notifications will be prioritized and it will be shown at the top of the screen. Similarly, for group notifications, you can select any ringtone, any tone, but don't make it silent. And similarly, for vibration, you can either make it short, long, or you can leave it as default. Also, for pop-up notification, you can make it no pop-up, or you can select always show pop-up, whichever you want. And for a group notification also, you can enable this option, use high priority notifications, so that the notifications will be displayed on the top of the screen. So do all of these things and you should hear the notification sound in WhatsApp when you receive a new message.